Lighttrek, the classic compact hiking umbrella. 11 inches short, almost 40 inches canopy span, and weighs just under 9 ounces. The Lighttrek has a sturdy, partially netted nylon case which features a carrying loop and aluminum clip which allows it to be attached to your belt or backpack. Only the best materials are being utilized for this umbrella. Ultralight and highly durable Teflon-coated polyester fabric and double-stitched seams between segments. Frame with reinforced aluminum shaft. All frame parts are highly elastic and decay and corrosion resistant. The high-density EVA hard foam is comfortable to the touch and features an integrated compass. This small, convenient and lightweight hiking umbrella meets the high standards of stability and resistance even under unfavorable conditions.